Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm with the Welty Environmental Center. Welcome to Nygren's Virtual Family Day. We are here at the Forest Station. The Forest Station is going to cover some of the common trees that you will see out hiking in the Nygren wetlands or other surrounding areas close to the state line area of Illinois and Wisconsin. All right, first let's start with the Illinois state tree. In 1908, Illinois voted to make the oak tree the Illinois state tree. Now, they didn't specify which oak until 1937. And in 1937, they decided that the white oak was going to be the Illinois state tree. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you a bunch of leaves, and I'm going to help you find a way for you to easily identify the difference between 3 different types of oaks and some other common trees that you will find in forests. So here we have the white oak. It is the Illinois state tree. What I want you to notice about the white oak is that it has these really long lobes that kind of look like fingers. See how that kind of looks like a finger there? That's the easiest way to identify a white oak, is does it have these long lobes? So let's move over here and take a look at another common oak that you will find in this area, and that is the bur oak. And the bur oak has this really nice big crown at the top of the leaf, and they get skinnier down towards the bottom. And so the crown has this nice jagged tooth with the lobes at the top. All right, one other really common oak in this area is the red oak. And the red oak, as you can see, has a lot of jagged little points, but also a nice thick area here in the leaf. Okay, quiz time. Here I've taken all 3 of those oak leaves and pushed them together. Can you identify which leaf belongs to which tree? All right, good guesses. Here's your answer. Now we're going to take a look at 3 other trees that are very common to this area. We have over here the box elder, which is in the maple tree family, and you can see that it has these nice little leaves here, and at this time of year it has lots of spinners. Over here we have our sugar maple, and our sugar maple has that nice hand look that you will also recognize from the Canadian flag. The sugar maple is Wisconsin's state tree. Lastly, I wanted to point out sumac. Sumac is a transitional tree. You'll find it along roadsides and where prairie or open spaces begin to go into forested areas. So you'll see this one a lot. I thought we might take a quick trip outside to see some of our oak trees outside and in our forested area. So I'm going to turn you around and show you a couple of oak trees. We're in luck. I have spotted both a red and white oak growing right next to each other. So we'll be able to take a quick, easy inspection of both of them. Right here, we have both a red and a white oak growing right next to each other. Let's go take a closer look at their bark. All right, you can see that the bark is really different. This one over here is a little bit smoother, and then this one over here is flaky and rough. Well, let's find out which tree we're looking at. When we look up into the canopy and we can see those leaves, this tree here with the smooth bark is our red oak. And this tree here with the bumpy, flaky bark is our white oak. Here are those leaves with those nice finger-like lobes. So let's see what other kinds of oak trees we can find. We're going to go on a very short walk here. All right, let me turn you around. Okay, we're walking up the path here, and I can see another oak tree. Let's check this one out. Let's look at those leaves. Can you tell me which type of oak tree you think that is? Well, if you said red oak, you're right. Let's see what else we can see. Now, there's another red oak. And another red oak. Out here at Big Hill Park, where I'm filming from, we have lots and lots of red oaks rather than white oaks. But I think here we have another red oak. And then if we keep walking over here, oh yeah, look at that bark of the tree. It's got that nice flaky bark that we looked at. And if we look at the leaves, I bet we'll find out that yes, we have a white oak. Isn't that great? All right, we're going to head on back inside and do a quick craft. One super fun activity that you can do with leaves to help you better identify them is to make leaf rubbings. You can also do leaf rubbings just for fun and to create some art. So in order to make a leaf rubbing, you need some nice white paper and some peeled crayons. And of course, you need some leaves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our white oak, the Illinois state tree, and I'm going to make a quick leaf rubbing. I'll be right back. And here's our finished leaf rubbing. What I did was I put our leaf underneath our paper here and used a crayon on its side to rub the leaf. And doesn't it make a nice pretty design? You can also get super creative and use multiple colors on the same leaf. Okay, so one of the things that will help you become better at identifying trees is for you to create your own identification book. Now, my mom was awesome, and she saved everything that I did. And so this leaf journal that I made in 1986 still exists. And it also shows that you don't need a lot of fancy acid-free things to be able to preserve your tree identification journal. And so, I can just flip through a couple of pages here for you. So as you can see, it is super easy to put together your own leaf journal. That way you have your own little identification book. So when you go out walking in a forest, you can pull it out and quickly identify some of the trees either in your neighborhood or in one of your surrounding green spaces, like the Nygren Wetlands. All right. Thank you for visiting the Welty Environmental Station at the Nygren Wetlands Virtual Family Day. I hope that you're able to get out and create your own leaf journal, maybe do some leaf rubbing, and look for white oak in your neighborhood. It is the Illinois state tree. All right, have a great day.